Okay, do y'all see this transformation? These are human hair boho box braid, and I want to share how I achieved this style. I'm J Marie. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, but let's get into the details on this hair. I received this hair from Ywigs.com, and this is their deep wave human hair bulk extensions for braiding. I received it in the color 1B, and it's 18 inches long. Be sure to check out Ywigs.com, and I'll have all their information listed in the description box down below. So guys, I'm starting off with my TWA, and I could have sworn I had more hair than this. But anywho, we about to braid this down. I'm taking the Spectra braiding hair. I'm gonna go in and cut it. Then I'm moving on to prepping the human hair. Now the deep wave hair is super soft, so I'm splitting it in half. And if you've worked with human hair before, it can get messy. So I'm taking some of my shining gem and I'm placing it on the tips of this hair. That way it's a whole lot easy to manage. So I've completed half of my hair off camera because I was struggling. Yes, I was struggling trying to grip my hair, but I think I got it down packed now. I'm taking a piece of the Spectra braiding hair, splitting it, then looping a piece around the other until I have my 3 legs for my braid. And I'm separating 4 pieces of the deep wave human hair to feed in. So I have my hair split into 3 pieces, and I'm taking my 3 pieces of braiding hair and attaching each to a piece of hair. Then I begin to braid down about 4 times until I meet my pointer finger. I take the smallest piece of the deep wave hair and feed that in, and I braid down 4 more times. Then I add my second piece of deep wave hair. Continue to braid down some more, add my 3rd piece. You can use hair clips to keep the hair in place. I find that adding gem to the hair also helps it stays in place. When I feed in the 4th piece of the deep wave hair, I'm braiding it down to my ideal length. Then I take the synthetic piece of hair and I wrap that around, creating a knot a couple times, making sure it's secure. Next, I'm taking my scissors and cutting away any unwanted hair from the braid. And there you have it, a boho braid, girl. I am so proud of myself. I did this on my little hair. So these were the steps that I did on my entire head. With my order, I received 3 packs of the Spectra braiding hair along with 2 packs of the deep wave human hair extensions. I'm not using a lot of this synthetic braiding hair. I'm just using a little bit because I have a little bit of hair. So I need to add in a little length. Can y'all tell that I actually had to dye my hair before I got started? Yes, I put a black rinse in and I used a pack and a half of each braiding hair. On some braids, I did add more of the deep wave human hair because I wanted more volume and I wanted the human hair to really stand out in this style.
Yeah, this one right here goes out to all the babies, mamas. Baby mamas.
It took me about 10 hours to complete this style. I took my time and I love how it turned out. Now, I do plan on leaving this style in for at least 3 to 4 weeks because, baby, it just took too long to do. I'm not going to rush and take it out. I am so proud of myself because, baby, I didn't think it was going to happen. My hair was so little and short and I could not grip it, but I succeeded in the end. Once I have my hair complete, I'm taking my razor comb and I'm trimming the ends and I'm trimming the hair around my face. Then I'm taking some water and I'm just wetting it down, and you can see the difference. We have nice waves. Next, I'm following up with my Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Setting Foam. And here's the finished look. I'm in love with these human hair boho box braids. They turned out so pretty and the hair is so lightweight and the human hair adds a softness to the style. Give me a thumbs up, guys, for this style. Also, comment down below. Let me know if you guys will be rocking any protective style this fall. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.